the myth. I'm not born to learn foreign language. Most people believe that to learn a new language requires talent or some kind of what we have usually heard, heard from our parents is my son has a great talent in foreign language or reserved. My son is not good in foreign language. I hope you are lucky enough to hear the first comment, as it could give you huge confidence and boost your learning English, learning efforts, 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 efforts. If you got later on, you might believe it in and give up after your very first attempt. A foreign language is also called a second language. Let me ask you a question. Haven't you been successful with your first language? And if you were able to learn the first one, why can't you learn second one? When you first learned your mother tongue, you lacked mainly tools. At 2 or 3 years of age, you had no dictionary, no reading, writing skills, no experiences yet. You could matter it. Now what you got a lot of tools around to assist you. Why why can't you just repeat that success? The bottom line is that your belief matter. I'm too old to learn a new language. This one are most common complaints I have been hearing from my students and friends. Many people, including scientists, believe that kids kids are better at learning a foreign language than Adults. They also believe adults cannot absorb a new language anymore. It is true that kids seem to adapt more quickly with the new language environment. Many report support idea. However, you can also see that the kids quickly with a family with a new language, but after a short period of time, they tend to slow down to a lower learning rate. I first learned the French when I was only 11 years old. When and 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 English when I was my high school. English has been one of my major for many years afterward until I left university, 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 university. I was still important when I started working. Several years after that, I still could not speak English well. However, when I got older, of course, everyone grow older. Then we when he or she was in school school achieved much more success in only few months than what what achieved what I'd achieved 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 it on the year before that. Still, Kaufman, an American linguistic, he can speak 9 languages by now. He may have learned a few more, and he started learning his life language when he was 50, 59, 9 years old. 9 years old. Is not about how old are you. It's about how old are you or think you are. I agree that being in the country where the people speak relatively their language, you want to learn. You do. You have. You have a lot. Have you a lot? But it's not must. It is another must. Must. I have been in the U.S. for 6 months to learn English. I thought that a lot of the environment factors. I got I got there that exist in Vietnam, my home country. I still remember my very first day in the U.S. A Vietnamese American friend of mine told me, you better watch television every day to improve your English listening skills. That was a harder recommendation, but it shocked me because I came to the U.S. hoping that this country could help me skyrocket my English skill. Not to watch TV. If you are at home and want to improve your English listening skills, why not just watch TV? In chapter 10, I will tell you many other tactics to get a native speaking environment right in your country. Learning a new language is a long journey. It might take your whole life to learn one. If it takes your whole life to learn a new language, how many lives do you think Steve Kaufman or others who can speak 4 or 5 languages had? In fact, many people, including me, have been learning a new language for quite a long time, but never focused on it. It is as if you want to build your muscle by lifting it by the 5 kilogram weights only three times a day. Result never come that way. When it comes to learn a foreign language, being focused is the key. If you focus in the right manner, you can achieve mastery in a short period of time. I must have a good teacher. Some people tend to delay things. Some people tend to delay things. delay things. Delay things. I call them delayers. They keep looking for good teachers even though they have no idea what a good teacher looks like. I think every teacher, not teacher, teacher, teacher has noticed one or strengthened weaknesses. The important is what you can learn from them, not what you cannot learn from them. Even a native speaker will have a weakness in the teaching their language. For example, sometimes a native speaker cannot understand clearly, while a word as sure easier for her to pronounce, but not for her students. You don't need a very good teacher, but you do need a good process. Only smart people you can learn a new language. It's true that when you meet someone who can speak one or more foreign language, you feel that their person is smart. However, many students show that it is learning a new language that boosts your IQ, which means learning a foreign language makes you smarter. Not that you must be smarter to learn a new language. The finding is quite interesting. It isn't it? If you're still concerned about how smart you are, the following finding might excite you. Research shows that our brain contains around 30 billion cells. Every time we are observed or analyzed information, new collection are formed amongst these brain cells. These collections could disappear quickly or be retained for a long period of time, depending upon how important the information is to you. Is not a number of cells that determine the level of your intelligence. It is the number of connections that does. The number of connections increases as your brain works, and this decreases when you stop thinking or remembering things. If you do not do math to count the connection possible, it is unimaginable. It's almost unlimited. Unlimited. Television, a well-known human brain expert, estimated that all the general